How to use auto clicker on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, click on the search bar and search for auto clicker. Now tap on auto click and click on install. Now click on open. Now click on start, tap on agree, go to settings. Now tap on GC auto clicker, enable the toggle. Now click on start. Now select the mode, single point mode or multi-point mode. Now tap on start. Now open up any app. Now tap on the plus icon to add a button. Now select the timer. Now select the time interval between two buttons. You can tap on the arrow option to add a swipe. Now adjust the positions of the button. Now tap on play to start auto clicker. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.